finished look of that head I went to make yesterday. It was so guys, this is Friday morning. I'm prepping the children for school, so I'm preparing this. This is not for breakfast. They are going to carry this for school, and also as this is what I'm going to eat, but not in this morning. I'm going to also have this as lunch. So that's how I do. Most times, what they carry to school is what maybe it's okay. What they carry to school is what I have as my lunch. So guys, in the morning it's usually hectic. Let's keep it going. Let us keep it going. I will talk to you guys later. I have a lot of things to talk about, but most times I don't have memory in my phone. If you're a content creator here, YouTuber here, and you are having this low space in your phone, then mean those of us that blog, or those of us that film video with our phones. So if you are the ones that film video, if you are one of those that film videos with your phone and you are having this low space issue, please, how do you rectify it? How do you how do you correct it? So I want to know in the comment section. Please help a sister. So guys, let me keep it going. They are going to bath now. They have had their own breakfast, not this food I'm cooking now. I just finished cooking it. They have had Nigeria chocolate tea and puff puff that I fried. So now I'm about to bath them and pack their lunch that they are going to school with. So guys, let's keep it going. I'll carry you guys along on what I can. I'm running late because I'm going to school today for, they say, a day with the Lord. I'll be opening with the Lord. So there's something they do in their schools that when the first week of resumption, usually on a Friday, on the first week of resumption, parents, teachers, and pupils, they gather together to pray, to commit the time to the hands of God. And I find it so interesting. I always like to participate. So it's going to happen today. Today is the first Friday after resumption. So I'm going to be there too. So I need to buckle up and do things so that we can leave the house on time so we can meet up. This is not like I'm going to drop them off and come back. So I have to prepare, take my bath, brush my teeth, look presentable, and go to their school with them. So guys, see you guys later. Let me show you the yam that we're going to eat. It's so sweet. See the yam sitting pretty, very hot yam. Yeah. Like I said before, see you guys later.
One eternity later.
You have been praying and waiting, patiently serving to God. So many needs and desires, and you're wondering when you make a way. Just don't give up, don't give up. Keep on believing in God. You have been praying and fasting, patiently waiting on God. So many needs and desires, and you're wondering when you make a way. Hey, just don't give up, don't give up. Keep on believing in God.
A few moments later.
So this is the length. So see the length of the hair. The hair is, I like the length, not short, not long. So guys, and I like the color of the attachment. So that's the hair that I made. Right now I'm cooking zobo. So let me show you guys what it looks like. My children have got to school, I'm home alone.
The next day.
So guys, this is the finished look of that hair I went to make yesterday. It was a simple hairstyle, just simple, not too full. So but the length, I like the length. The length is not short, it's not long, so I like it. And I like the color of this attachment. I like the color so much. I've been eyeing this color. So simple, at least I'm happy. I don't have to worry about how to comb my hair, what wig to wear, what will I use to cover my hair whenever I'm going out. So I'm so happy that I've made my hair. Just once you are out from the shower, just remove your shower cap or your net, throw your hair. If you need to do the edges, you do your edges and off you go. So I'm happy, and it's simple and neat and all that. I like the hair so much. I like the hair, and it's not painful. So guys, I'm about leaving. So it's time to bring my children back from school. Let me go and pick them, and I will see you guys later. If you're watching this vlog, if you have been watching my video and you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe, share this video, and also give me a like and leave a comment in the comment section. And I will see you later. Let me go and pick my children from school. It's already time for me to go and pick them from school. So see you guys later.
One eternity later.
You have been praying and waiting, patiently serving to God. So many needs and desires, and you're wondering when He'll make a way.